So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're gonna discuss how you can find the copyright free songs on the audio library which is given to you on your YouTube studio, which is a free source of music that most of the YouTubers prefer to avoid copyright claims in their videos. You might have been known that if you have copyright claims on your video due to some used music or some stuff, you will not able to monetize their video, or the video may have been get blocked. So in order to find the copyright free sound effects or the musics, you have to open the YouTube studio on your web browser. You can use any web browser. For example, in this video I have opened the YouTube studio on my Google Chrome browser. When you entered the YouTube studio, at the left window you will see some of the option, and here you have to scroll down and find the option of audio library. You can see it's just right there. When I click on this option, here you will see all the tracks and titles which are used for YouTube purpose without any copyright issue. You can find that at any genre or music or artist as per your convenience. Just simply search over there, or you can find some sound effects as well over here. You can see you can see a lot of sound effects will be available right in front of you. Kids playing, factory background, and many more. So you can download any of the sound effects from here only, and they all are copyright free. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. In order to get more helpful and interesting tutorials, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.